Cabbage buns, taste of home. Golden bites, we love to roam. Soft and crispy, warm and bright. Gluten-free and pure delight. Cabbage buns, taste of home. Golden bites, we love to roam. Soft and crispy, warm and bright. Gluten-free and pure delight.